I got a 42-inch TV. I got OidZone running on the MiSTer FPGA. Pretty cool. OidZone. I wrote this game. Don't copy that floppy. There are some issues. This core isn't working exactly right with the Mockingboard, but it works okay. I've noticed it makes kind of a humming sound even when there's no sound going. Not right here. Here's the intro. See, this is going dink dink. It should be a voop, 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 voop on a regular Apple. So that's not right. But I wrote this game. Anyway, it's an asteroids kind of game where got asteroids floating. Keyboard. And yes. See, Mockingboard they sound okay. But see, we got a whoo happening. You hear that? Shouldn't be making that sound. I'm just playing one-handed. Boom. Be the ball. Anyway, that was fun. Wow. Do you hear that? It shouldn't be making that sound.